What we gonna do right here is go back, way back, back into time.
Hello again, it's me, Shanna Scott, CEO, Chief Event Organizer of ELS, Event Logistics Solutions, here in Georgetown, South Carolina. And I want to bring to you Eventiquette number 17, the top 5 ways how not to overwhelm yourself when you're planning your event. Number 5, plan for the unknown or worst case scenarios. You always want to take time out to think about what could happen. Plan B, emergency plans, everything whenever you're planning your event. A lot of times whenever we think about our event, it's in our head, it's fantastic, it's flawless, it's fierce. But a lot of times things do come out during the event. So you want to make sure that you kind of think about those and plan for those to happen. That way, when you plan for the worst case scenario, you're pretty much prepared for anything on your event day. Number 4, shop for an event and immediately organize. A lot of times I tell my clients if they go and they buy, whether it's name tags or favors, put it in a bin that says whatever event that you're going to do. Do not put it in a bag and put it in your closet somewhere, because I promise you, during time of the event, you're going to be looking for it and you're going to be wondering what in the world you did with it, because you know you bought it, you have the receipt, but you cannot find that item. So immediately go ahead and put it in a bin or an event closet or an event room, just some designated area. That would help you so much whenever you go in shopping for your event, because you'll have lots of items, and close to that time it'll be hustle and bustle and you will not remember where you put that event item unless you put it in a nice secure place. Number 3, play the event in your head, just like you would do a video game or anything like that. And here's the trick with that. I want you to be the guest and take that guest, just imagine you're the guest from the door all the way throughout your event. And then after you do that and you picture what that guest is doing, then be one of your vendors. Take that vendor and walk them all through the event. That way you can kind of see pretty much what that person would envision and what may happen. And then you may see things that you may need to do at that time. Like, oh, okay, just take different perspectives of the event. And a lot of times you'll kind of come up with ideas of what they will experience. Number 2, pre-event meetings. And you want to, anytime that you're having an event, have pre-event meetings, whether you're planning a golf tournament or some sort of fundraiser. There's always pre-event meetings. And even if it's a wedding, if you're feeling like you're overwhelmed and you have favors or invitations, you have a meeting, or what I like to say, party. Get everybody together, have a party, and say, hey, I need help with this, and kind of get ideas and whatnot, and make it kind of fun. I always like to offer little snacks or refreshments, make it kind of fun for whomever. Just make sure that you don't get overwhelmed by offering, asking for help, but do it in kind of like a fun way. Say, hey, everyone, you can have dinner, or you can have mimosas or cookies or cake. Just come on over and help me out with this, and this is my thank you to you. And the number 1 way that you can prevent yourself from becoming overwhelmed when planning your event is by hiring a wedding planner or event planner, which is me, ELS. We are always available to help you with these things. We are professional, and we want to make sure that the clients all know what to expect. Usually whenever you hire an event professional or event management firm such as ELS, we've done several events, we're used to it, we know what to expect, we know where to look, and we know how to make sure that everything goes well for your day. In the event that you are planning an event, you can call us at 843-344-5602 or on my cell phone. I always got it near me, 843-455-0604, or you can visit us on our website, www.eventlogisticssolutions.com. Happy eventing, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.